Guys, good morning. What did you have taken this morning as your breakfast? I used to put up here some minor stuff to eat as breakfast, like banana, like yogurt, like some kinds of fruits, or some people don't like taking stuff in the morning in order not to be dizzy after taking some kind of breakfast idea. So I've put in up a video here on how you're gonna go about eating and the kind of thing to eat in the morning, especially if you usually go to work every morning. You need to know that you don't need to eat much stuff like that in order not to be feeling asleep or dizzy in your various working places. So I've put in up such videos here, the kind of thing to be taken that can sustain you, as in that is fuller for longer, like banana, yogurt. Sometimes you can take water. Water can sustain you from morning till 12. Banana as well, a finger or two fingers of banana, yogurt or comfort. All those ones can help you to become fuller for longer. So, but sometimes you get to when you have chance or you are less busy to eat proper stuff as your breakfast idea. Guys, kindly create time to do that. So I'm gonna show you other breakfast idea you don't know nothing about, or even if you've known how to go about preparing this, have you learned this method? Because there are many methods to garnish your stuff. So what are we making? We are making bread toast, French toast bread. That's what we are making this morning. You're gonna take this as breakfast. I said, as in I made mention of the little or few things you can take as breakfast idea, especially if you are waking early in the morning. But that does not mean that you can't take other stuffs like proper breakfast idea, like bread toast, as in or whatnot. So if you have chance to prepare this as your breakfast idea, why not go ahead to do that? So what are we making? We are making French toast bread. So how are you gonna do this? This is not bread toast we are making. We are not toasting it. We are just as in using frying pan to as in achieve this bread. So press butter on your pan, guys. Before you start pressing your pan on the gas, guys, make sure you've prepared everything and set aside, like eggs. Guys, I've cracked like 2 or 3 pieces of eggs. Put some seasoning. It doesn't require much seasoning. Then, guys, soak your bread into the eggs, but don't allow the liquid to penetrate inside your bread. Before you do that, make sure you've heated your frying pan on the gas, and make sure you've added your butter in the pan, so that immediately you soak that your bread in the eggs, you bring it out immediately. Press it on the pan. Guys, do as if you are roasting it. So after roasting one part, you turn to, when it turns brownish, you turn to the other part to make sure as in it come out looking very brownish. Guys, once it's brownish, you will know that it's already done. If you still have more, continue it like that till you get them all done. So these are another strategies or technique you can go about preparing your French or bread toast every morning. But if this one is quite as in difficult for you, but I think this one is the easiest and simplest way to go about making this French toast. But if you feel like the process of roasting, adding oil, adding butter, you can't be able to do that. If you have toaster, grab your toaster. Guys, fry your eggs, press the bread on the toaster. Guys, put the eggs on top, your fried eggs on top. Then cover with the toaster plugged on the electric. Toast your bread. But I think this method is the best for me. It goes so fast for me. So instead of me frying the eggs, it's better I soaked it this way. So soaked immediately, bring it out so that the liquid will not penetrate in your bread. As I said, I can't just eat both my breakfast, lunch, dinner without having fruits or veggies on my side. Guys, I get to side it because it's gonna help me for digestion and dilution. So if you've never formed the habit of doing that, kindly keep trying because it's gonna better you. So our bread French toast or our bread toast is ready. Guys, I can't feed you and spoon feed you, it's my wedge. So kindly grab your spoon, your hand, whatever. Let's do it together. But most importantly is for you to learn how to do this by yourself. As you are coming up to learn, make sure you are grabbing a lot so that you can give it a try yourself, because we learn new and good things every day. You might know the other method to do it, but try this method and thank me later. Please follow, like and share. God bless. Bye bye.